You might be at the point in your certified entry-level Python programmer journey where you're saying to yourself, what more could we learn? My goodness, we have covered so much together in this course. Well, there is some more important stuff to learn. It is our final section of new content. So let's get accustomed to what we're going to be looking at here in section 4. To do this, no surprise, I'm going to go to the pythoninstitute.org, and from the pythoninstitute.org website, we're going to go up to certifications. We're going to go to the PCEP entry certification right there, and we are going to scroll down, and we're going to find the exam syllabus. There it is right there. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at this. My gosh, the live and active one is right over here. I'm going to click download. It'll bring up the PDF and we can see our section 4. By the way, this is really something you should have printed out. I know some of you may have even built your own listing of all this stuff right in something like Excel, and you're tracking your progress. This document is going to be so great for you, especially considering that we have an awful lot of objectives. So, we're human, we're going to forget stuff, and as we are doing our final review before our certification exam, we can go through here and allow this to be the basis for our review. My videos coordinate to these, so you'll be able to jump in and review whatever videos you might need. Okay, well, with all that said, let's get to why we are here. We are going to be starting now section 4, and notice it's really two big things. It's functions and exceptions. You already know what a function is. A great example of a function is the print function in Python. Yeah, anytime we need to print something to the screen, it's so easy to do thanks to the print function. And if we want some kind of special end character, we can specify that. We know there's attributes, there's manipulations we can make of how the function works thanks to those attributes that we can set. Well, guess what? We can create our own functions. That's right. If you have something that you're going to be doing over and over and over and over again with your application, with some of its logic, my goodness, make that a function. That's going to reduce lines of code. It's going to add consistency. It's going to just make everything so much easier for you as the coder. So creating our own functions is going to be something really, really fun that we can do with Python that we're going to look at. And then we're going to talk about errors. Yeah, otherwise known in programming speak as exceptions. So notice we've got some subsections on functions, and then we've got 2 subsections on exceptions. What kind of errors can we experience in our programs? This isn't a comprehensive list, but it's the ones we need to know about at this level of our education. And then how can we handle errors in an elegant way? So really cool content. Maybe exceptions isn't the coolest of concepts, but it sure is critical. And then I don't know about you, but the thought of building our own functions is just something that's really neat. Oh my gosh, I am a nerd. All right, well, I hope you are as excited as I am to get launched into this section 4. And yeah, we're not going to mess around. Join me in the next video for the beginning of our discussion of creating our own user-defined functions.